Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to arrange your board on Pinterest. So you press your board long enough and press that button, and then you can reorder your boards. So to reorder your board, you have to just tap on it for about 2 seconds, and then you can just drag it anywhere you want. So for example, I'm interested in wedding and apartment, so I can just put that board on the very top and then press done, and then changes have been saved. And then as you can see now, wedding and apartment is on the very top. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.